Lightroom presets. We have all seen these travel pages on Instagram advertising these high white and high contrast filters. How much are they really making from these filters? How hard is it to actually make the filters? This week, I'm going to become a real Instagram travel influencer and start selling Lightroom presets to see how much these people make. Hello everybody, my name is Lyndon Chasteen and I am a 19-year-old community college student who is fascinated by money. In this video, I'm going to create presets on Adobe Lightroom, design a store around these presets, and then market them to my followers on Instagram and try to make some money. So let's get into this challenge. Okay, so I have made 2 presets so far, and I've made them basically just by following YouTube tutorials. After I finish the YouTube tutorial, I usually just reconfigure all the settings by like a couple points and then give it my own twist. This way I'm not just copying people. Both of the presets that I made are pretty similar, and most of them have the same settings as the other one. The only thing I changed is kind of the tint. So one is better for colder photos and then one is better for warmer photos. And I'm gonna group these presets into a bundle. I'm gonna do one more so it's a bundle of 3 just because that sounds better. And that way, depending on like the warmth of the photo that the person has, they'll have a preset that can like hit all 3 of those warmths. Okay, so if you didn't catch the last episode where I tried selling posters on my Italian theme page, I'm going to rework the store and like redesign the store to try to sell my presets. So I'm going to be scrapping the posters. Even though they did work, I'm gonna see if the presets can work better because they are an e-product. So that means I don't have to deal with shipping. I don't have to deal with like waiting and all that stuff, so it'll just be way faster and easier. I'm gonna design the store to make it look a little bit more adventurous compared to it just looking like a retail store. Hopefully this will boost my conversion rate and make more people who are interested in photography to buy it. So here are the presets that I have created. It is 3 weeks later because I ended up scrapping the old presets and making some new ones from scratch. There are 6 presets that I will package up and sell as a bundle. The first preset is called Italian Seascape and it works well with ocean photos. The second is called Italian Food, and you guessed it, it works well with food. The next 4 are Italian Summer, Nights in Italy, Vibrant Italy, and Colors of Rome. I spent a long time making these presets, so it would mean a lot to me if you smash the like button. Now I will really quickly create the stories and posts that I'm going to use to advertise my presets. All right, so here are the posts that I'm going to post. Each one is a before and after to where my preset is applied to one side of the image. I think that this is going to catch the viewer's eye and then make them stop scrolling on their feed. I will be using this post as the first image of the slideshow because I think it shows off the vibrancy of the colors the best. I will most likely caption it something along the lines of link in bio, introducing the Dreams in Italian preset, unlock your photos in one click, or edit your photos in one click. Over the past month, we've created a gorgeous preset that will make your photos more vibrant, colorful, and impressive. With one click, your photos will be Instagram ready and popping with color. Thank you so much for supporting us and being such a lovely community, Dreams in Italian. So this post, it kind of sells the product and it also brings it back to the community and makes people feel like they're a part of it, and I think that will lead to higher sales. Well, good morning everyone. Today I'm going to post my ads on Instagram. So let's get into it. All right, so that is the feed posts posted. So now all I gotta do is post the stories. So I'm gonna do that now. All right, so we've posted all the ads on my page, so now we just wait, see if we get some sales. So I'll catch up with you guys in a few days to see if we got any sales.
All right, it's a week later, and here are the results. In total, we made 1 sale. I was definitely expecting to do a little bit more than that, but it'd be like that sometimes. I think the reason why it didn't do as well as I expected it to do was because of the product itself. Lightroom presets, while they do solve a problem, are pretty unnecessary in day-to-day life, and most people are usually not willing to spend $10 to $20 on some photo filters. Now, I'm definitely not saying that it's impossible to find success with Lightroom presets, but I think you have to be an individual creator instead of having like a thing like a theme page where people don't actually know who you are. People view presets as a way to support the creators that they like, and that way they can make their photos look like the other person's photos. But if you're just a theme page like me where I post like random photos every day, there's no common thread and there's no face to the photos that people want to support. People are more likely to buy your stuff when they know it supports somebody that they love. My audience does not really know who I am, so I think that's another reason why the presets didn't sell as well as they could have. Overall, I'm still happy with the results, and this was a great lesson in e-commerce and just selling stuff in general. And I learned a lot. I'm excited to go into my next stores, and I definitely won't be selling Lightroom presets again. If you want to see more challenges like this in the future, then I recommend you follow along with the channel by subscribing. If you have any questions about anything in this video, make sure to comment it below, and me and this little frog will answer you. Mr. Frog thanks you all so much for watching, and have a great day.